Welcome to our video on the dark web. Today we'll uncover what it is, how it's used, and its potential impacts. The dark web is a part of the internet that isn't indexed by traditional search engines. It requires special software to access. To explore the dark web, users typically use the Tor browser. This software anonymizes your internet activity. The dark web has various uses. Some are legal, such as protecting privacy in oppressive regimes. Others are illegal, involving black markets and illicit activities. Activists, journalists, and whistleblowers use the dark web to communicate securely and anonymously. Unfortunately, it also hosts illegal activities like drug trafficking, weapons sales, and stolen data trading. Navigating the dark web can be risky. Users may encounter scams, malware, or legal trouble if they engage in illegal activities. To stay safe, never share personal information and be cautious about what you access. The dark web is a complex and shadowy part of the internet. Understanding it can help you navigate its dangers and potential benefits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.